How are you today? Are you okay? I hope you're all okay. Now look, who likes playing mimics? Quem gosta de mímica? I like it. So let's play. I will make some facial expressions and you have to find out what they are, ok? Vocês vão ter que descobrir o que a teacher está fazendo. I'm sad, that's it. Yes, I'm angry. I'm happy. Of course I'm happy, right? Okay, so now you go to the mirror and do a happy face, a sad face, and an angry face. Can you do it? I want to see you doing it, okay? So now, I want to know everything about the story. Have you watched the story with the other teacher? How did you like it? Vocês gostaram daquela história com a outra teacher? It was about horses, right? No, about pigs. That's it. And how many pigs were there? 1 pig, 2 pigs, 3 pigs. Yes, it was the 3 little pigs story. That's it. So now, do you know that a pig is a farm animal? They live on a farm. Take a look. Yeah? So, do you know any other farm animals? This is the horse. Yes, he's a farm animal too. So repeat, it's a horse. It's a horse. Good. And what else? What animal is this? It's a sheep. Repeat, it's a sheep. It's a sheep. That's it. She's also a farm animal. And what about this? It's a chicken. Repeat, it's a chicken. It's a chicken. Also a farm animal, right? And what about this animal here? It's a cow. Repeat, it's a cow. It's a cow. That's it. And what about, did we finish the farm animals? So, how many animals can you see here? Look at all these farm animals. A cow, a horse, a sheep, a chicken, and a pig. Yes? How many animals? 5 animals. I can see 5 animals. That's it. And they all live on a farm. So now that you know everything about farm animals, agora que vocês sabem tudinho dos animais da fazenda, let's see if you can recognize the sound of the animals. Can you? Let's try. Listen. What animal is this? It's a pig. That's it. It's a pig. Very good. And what about this animal here? It's a horse. That's it. It's a horse. And what about this animal? It's a sheep. Very good. It's a sheep. And what about this animal? What animal is this? It's a cow. Very good to know everything. And this last animal here. What animal is this? It's a chicken. That's it. You know all the farm animals. Now that you know all the farm animals and all the sounds of the farm animals, which one is your favorite? Qual que vocês mais gostam? I have a favorite. Do you know which one is mine? I have one here. Tcharam. Her name is Meh. What animal is this? Meh. Hello, Meh. I'm Meh. She's a sheep. Say hi, Meh. Hello. She's a sheep. But you know what else? She's a coin bank. Look, listen. Not a piggy bank, because she's not a pig, right? Ela não é um porquinho de dinheiro. But she has money on her. So, my favorite animal is the sheep. And what is your favorite animal? I want to know. Tell me, my favorite animal is... Qual é o favorito de vocês? A teacher quer saber, okay? So let me know later. So now that you know everything about farm animals, bye bye. See you next week. Bye.